Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko Ranggesto. And for today's Taste Test Review episode of Master and Newest Products by Aroma Express and La Bomba Boutique Cafe. Aroma Express is now open to serve you, located at Festive Walk Parade Parking Lot, Iloilo City. Open every day starting 2 p.m. until 10 p.m. For the fullest of menus and other details, I'll provide a description down below. For this episode, this is sponsored brand review. Disclaimer lang mga nose, is my opinion and my own standards when it comes to brands or taste test reviews. Like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel Drinking Nose, at para always kayo notified sa my latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. Kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, ilang seconds or ilang minutes, huwag niyo pong i-skip. Laking tulong niyo sa aking channel. This is chocolate mousse. Texture is easy to recognize. It has a light, airy look, and its chocolate flavor is intense and soft and melting on the palate. Use your iced matcha latte for 12 ounce, 150 pesos. Is a tea latte made green tea powder and steamed milk, giving it a brilliant green color and lighty bitter flavor, but has this creamy and delicious taste for matcha drink. Sir Matcha Strawberry for 12 ounce for 160 pesos. It's full of sweet, juicy strawberries complemented with a subtle grassy flavor of matcha green tea. Dessert Sea Salt Latte for 12 ounce for 160 pesos. Its newest drink and one of their best sellers, the Sea Salt Latte is a Korean import that combines sea salt, whipped cream, and espresso. Iced Sea Salt Latte has been top seller among the beverages since the store has been opened in Festive Walk, Iloilo. La Bomba Boutique Cafe, located at Diversion Road, Iloilo City. Opens every day starting 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. For delivery options, they're also available via Grab Food, Food Panda, Maxim, Move, and all local delivery services here in Iloilo City. Got Araneta Live, one-stop shop that offers high-quality tops for Korean top-grade bags, brand new dress and cords, other fashionable items and collections. Only at La Bomba Boutique Cafe. And for my shirt that I'm wearing during promotion is also sponsored by Il City Clothing, Pop Culture Volume 1, Doctor Strange. So mag-provide ako ng link for my first taste test review for La Bomba Boutique Cafe. Dessert Philly cheesesteak for 225 pesos. Classic Philly cheesesteak consists of thinly shaved steak, usually ribeye or top round, and is traditionally cooked on a griddle. It's a wonderful sandwich. When you bite into it, you get a savory pieces of the thin steak and melty and gooey cheese. You are in for a treat. Use your tomato katsu, stuffed with its signature sauces, meats, vegetables, savory and distinct flavors for this product. Loaded tomato is what savory deliciousness is all about. Sisig rice bowl for 235 pesos. Consists of meats, sisig sauce, mayonnaise paired with flavorful sisig rice and a side of egg. One of Biboy's favorite dish for its savory and deliciousness. Lemon chicken tender for 225 pesos. Wonderful Asian twist to your favorite chicken tenders. Toss in the most heavenly sweet and lemon glaze. Use your ube or BTS drink. For this beverage is creamy, refreshing, indulgent drink that is perfect for summer. Made even more impressive with a vibrant purple color and also for its ube essence and flavor. Lemonada for 125 pesos. Healthy and refreshing drink. On point yung natural flavors for its lemon zest and superb benefits for a lemonade drink. This is your kiwi for 125 pesos. Kiwi juice is freshly made with organic kiwis and water. Another healthy drink to satisfy your thirst. Raspberry for 125 pesos. For this vibrant color and healthy drink provides healthy benefits such as potassium, essential to the heart function, proven to lower blood pressure. This is pink latte for 109 pesos. This adorable and delicious pink latte of intense fuchsia color is one of Ilonggo's favorite drink, not only for its color but also for its taste and quality. This is iced matcha latte for 109 pesos. Tea-based beverage combining vivid green tea matcha, tea powder, and milk, or a dairy substitute create a smooth and creamy chai latte. It's Heart Kisses' favorite drink. Okay, for rating manos, based on an experience with two amazing brands with Ilonggo vloggers, we'll give it a perfect 10. For Aroma Express or Cafe Aroma, and also for La Bomba Boutique Cafe, na-maintain pa rin nila when it comes to their consistency and precise flavors and quality for their foods and drinks. Chef-worthy, barista approved, and also amazing service. And magpasalamat ako sa mga Ilonggo vloggers na kasama ko, Biboy Natix, Glaiza, Heart Kisses, Pat Vlogs, Carl Lucas Photography, and kay Clint. Thank you so much for supporting and assisting me for this wonderful experience. Especially sa lahat po bumubuo for Cafe Aroma or Aroma Express, La Bomba Boutique Cafe, sa mga staff, baristas, chef, managers, and owners. So once again, congratulations and thank you so much sa Aroma Express or sa Cafe Aroma, also sa La Bomba Boutique Cafe. Stay safe, manos. See you in my next brand, latest review, or do-it-yourself episodes here in Festive Love, Iloilo City. Bye! Bye, Ali! Bye-bye! Bye-bye!